Hello Shredders. Welcome back to my channel, Chill Buddha Dreams. If you're a mountain biker planning a ride, you're checking the weather first, no matter where you live.
Well look, it's raining over there, it's clear right here, it's raining over there.
In this episode, you'll see how the rain affects us here in Northwest Arkansas, and the risk we are willing to take to be able to ride our bikes in the wet weather. Hello guys, I'm over here at the castle. You can see the flag flying, and I'm about to highlight exactly why I moved to Bentonville and why I love this place so much. So you see that right there? That is another trail being developed. Before the rain arrived, I planned to meet my buddy Phil for some shreds. And he had Daryl join us. They're both on adaptive bikes, and Phil has been traveling the country to advocate for the sport. Our goal is to get Phil some decent follow footage while he's in town, and so we decided to ride the castle.
No, you just look like you hit some rocks.
Probably hit right here. So
yeah, on the plate. It's nothing bad to the frame. His frame is still
so the skip plate just saved my ass.
Literally. This one that they're gonna build here sounds really sick. Like Jumpy Boy's up top, and it's gonna stop like halfway down, quarter of the way down, so you don't have to like climb the whole trail. And one of these is super tight, and I can't figure out which one it is.
And just like any other bike after a crash, a few adjustments are needed.
How you feel?
Just trying to survive today, man. Get to Minnesota.
So that was a nice redemption run. That was the first time I've seen you do a run where every single time you got air, you landed straight.
And it landed straight?
You landed straight every single time, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks worse than it is.
Well, I worked up a sweat.
Dude,
Oh,
you
yeah, dude.
you were killing it.
It looks like another thing. If you took it a little bit faster, it's going to be a lot easier on the bike.
Absolutely.
You just gotta know the line.
You just gotta know the line.
Pleasure to meet you.
Let's do it again.
Let's do it again, absolutely. It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Phil is quite the shredder, and he made that apparent on Lone Wolf.
Well, that was fun, dude. Sorry about the bullshit. You know?
Dude, it happens, man.
Dude, I really appreciate
You know how many
it.
times I've sat there trying to plug a tire or all types of other with mountain biking?
Absolutely, dude.
Dude, that's what we're here for, man.
Thank you, dude. I'll be back in October, dude. Let's so the event is gonna be the last week of October. So it's like Thursday through Sunday of the last week of October.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm here. I might be in Moab, but I don't think it's during that week.
Okay.
for anybody else that's out there that wants to learn anything about adaptive cycling, what would you like them to know?
I want to shred like anyone else, man. The trails, it's not about dumbing them down and making them adaptive and boring. We want features too. You know, if we're modifying trails, I never want to mess with kickers or things that are gnarly that we can't do. If there's a way to make a bypass, put a feature on it so the upright guys might hit it too and like it. Universal design rather than adaptive trails is kind of the way I'd look at it.
Any special shout outs for the channel?
EXT is the vapor wheels, lasher.
And where can everybody find you?
Quad on a bike on Instagram.
Quad on a bike, Instagram.
Quad on a bike, all the trails, all the adventures, 20 states, 6 countries in the last 12 months.
Rock and roll, my man.
Let's get it, dude.
Absolutely. The next day, I was invited to a group ride where I met the newest Texas transplant, Tony.
Brake on. Look at that, and you can see it.
Yeah, that's for me.
No worries.
Tire troubles.
You're good.
We're all just me.
All right.
Good to see you, mate. To Arky's Trail, and we'll go down hits.
And we dropped into Blowing Springs Loop right from his front yard.
Left turn, right turn. I blew out my rear wheel at Leatherwood, and I'm on a spare today with absolutely no engagement. Ugh.
This is my second time being at the back 40, and the first time I came to the back 40.
Nice. I didn't know what I was coming up against, but that's pretty cool.
Brody asked me if I could ride my bike down this the other day when we were hiking over here.
Back 40's that way. Whatchamacallit, Mad Hatter and all that, Wonderland is that way. Trying to get my names down so I can start guiding. Extra cash on the side.
Are you just gonna stay here?
Huh?
Or are you going back to Houston?
Oh, I live here now. I moved out here in November.
I didn't know that. Okay. God, there's so many of us.
Oh yeah, there's so many of us.
Text pass.
But I also don't have to like make a whole set of new friends.
It's definitely nice to have friends established in a new place that you're moving to.
Well, I mean, Adam, you might know that.
There's some fun stuff ahead on the 40. If you want to hit the 40, and we can just circle back from the sister ledges and come back to her house. That'd be a perfect loop.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's do it. You want to get in front of me?
Nope.
That's funny. I didn't start my ride. It's called Sisters, and it's the most flowy, fast section of the back 40 loop.
Really?
Yes, so you get to a point where you're at like a decision point to hit the ledges, which is definitely fun.
I think I'm.
Or hit Sisters, which is definitely fun. It's like, what do you want to do?
Yeah.
One of them's tech and the other one's flow. We're gonna hit one here in a second.
Are we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know you're way around pretty well.
Oh yeah, dude, I've been putting in some serious mileage. This guy leaves this cooler out. And sometimes there's like beer and stuff in the cooler. You just hang out right after making that long climb up. And then it's gonna be mostly descending from here.
That's crazy fun.
It's crazy fun.
Yeah.
After you. Yeah. Nope, just follow us. You'll see us when we get to the end. Water, climbing gear. We're almost at Sisters. And then that's the sticker for my channel right next to it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, these mofos are putting down a pace.
Who?
You and Tony are putting down a pace.
Oh,
You don't like leading on the descent, Adam?
no, I want to catch you guys going fast for my video.
I ended up taking the lead at some point. I used up all my gas trying to go that fast. And Tony made it look like it was a joyride for him. My goal was to maintain a fast pace for Ron, who's on an e-bike and was right on my tail.
Next year. No, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it to there, but we're gonna take this road back.
We can get out by just going Kingsland. He was off at Kingsland. Down
Yeah,
here.
we're gonna
He's
take this
down
road
here.
back. Whew. This one is a right.
It's quite easy to get turned around in the back 40 with all the optional routes. With it getting dark soon, we definitely did not want to take a wrong turn.
Get it?
And then the obnoxious climbs began.
That's why I like to keep that climb at the very end of my ride.
That last one had me looking for a 13th gear.
We had to, or the roots where we had to pop up and over it. I swore I still had one more gear.
Pablo's gotten me to not go into those last two, and it's been helping me a lot. So like, Pablo is one of our friends from back in Houston. He moved out here long before us.
You just get stronger.
You get stronger, you get better traction, and then when you really do need those last two, they're there.
Yeah,
But,
Brad
like,
was a firm believer in anything over a 10 speed made you
Too wise halfway through it.
Are we lost?
No, not at all.
super fucking lost, man.
We call Pablo?
No, hey, bro, that's mean. You okay? We're pretty much there as far as like, we're just gonna do a downhill section.
We're going to the next road and then we're riding on the street and it's a lot of downhill. Yeah, you go in 2-3 rides like this in a week and a half and you'll be...
This section's nice and fast.
Even with all the climbing, the flow on the back 40 is absolutely worth it.
I think it's all right.
I think so too.
Yeah.
That was such a good section. Dude, I was not expecting to put the hammer down tonight.
12.8 with 1150 elevation.
That's where all it is that elevation.
That was a solid ride.
You wanted something to drink?
Whatever you got that's non-alcoholic, I'll take it. So I'm on a guide, but I don't know if I can guide at that pace.
Well, you don't have
You gotta know your client.
Yeah.
I feel like if you're guiding, you have to have an e-bike so that you can go at any
That's
pace.
true.
Like you can go with a XC like pro race.
I just gotta
group and like
figure out how to invest into that, yeah.
Well, it's an investment in your business. The tax
So your
write-off.
tax write-off.
Tax deductible, baby.
With rain in the forecast, I've learned it's best to follow through with your riding plans. 30% chance of rain is usually a beautiful day in Northwest Arkansas. On this day, I made plans to ride with a friend from Houston who happened to be in town.
How you been, brother?
How's it going, my man?
Nice to see you, brother.
Good to see you.
With the forecast worsening, I decided to keep our ride just to Slaughterpen, just in case we needed to bail.
It's just a bunch of tables. It's on concrete. And then you're just gonna send the first couple of tables, hit that berm. Then there's another little table. And then it's just nothing but berms all the way down. I can feel the rain coming. My arms felt it. It's gonna be a really short shower because if you look around us, it's really bright. It's just darker over us.
I kept looking at the radar to see what we could connect with the little time that we had left.
So I don't know if you remember this or not, but when I first started riding, my first trip to Spider Mountain wasn't possible without you, because you gave me a full face, remember that? You gave me a full face to wear, and that was the first time at Spider Mountain.
Yeah.
You see how it's barely wet on the ground? Dude, you can't ask for any better than this. Well, look, it's raining over there. It's clear right here. It's raining over there. We've been dancing just all around the storm, kind of just missing everything by the route that we're taking. It's pretty cool. I absolutely love it. It's the best move of my life, bro.
By the time we made it to Catapult at the castle, it started raining.
All right, you want to try to ride back in the rain?
You want to eat something before the rain?
Here? Not here, I'll go somewhere else.
Anywhere.
Because if we're gonna go eat, I'm gonna show you the better place to go.
Bentonville got rained out really hard that night.
We really just wanted to ride today, huh?
My bicycle, son. You know what? Now I'm like,
Dodging a storm and everything.
I'm in this mode that, you know what? I feel like fighting Leatherwood Slick today.
So we decided to do just that. We rode Leatherwood Slick, and I was able to get some real wet weather mountain biking in for once. Something I never really had the opportunity to do in Texas.
Pick up smells. The smell.
What's up, buddy? Not too wet. Are you okay? Permission to put that in my YouTube video.
For sure.
Damn, dude. You went right into that wall. You okay? Let me get your bike. That's what it is. So you're running really heavy pressure, dude. There's no grip for your tires on these.
Okay.
Yeah, he went right into the wall right here when he was braking. Like if you go feel my tires, that'll give you an idea of how soft you want to run out here. There's a major difference there.
You good?
He went right into this wall.
Oh, fuck.
You should feel his tire though, that's why.
Is it empty or?
No, 30 something 5 PSI.
Yeah.
We got to
How
get
much do
you.
weigh?
Like 205.
You running Kush cores?
No, he's not. He's not.
You
running
need to
it.
be at like 20 pounds, 25 pounds,
He,
maybe.
I told him to feel my tire and he.
Yeah, they gotta be squishy. So that car
I'm the best
can
at
not
giving
squish
unsolicited advice.
stuff. Under the brand, or are you just big? Huh?
It's like how it feels.
And then King Andrew joined us for a few runs. Which encouraged me to ride the slick a little bit faster.
I'm telling you, oh, I just slid so much. Pucker, pucker. Woo, I'm so glad Andrew's in front of us or I wouldn't be going this fast.
Apparently, Dakota's house
I know, buddy.
was the investor.
Stop at the bottom of the drop.
And then it was time for my good buddy Ryan to level up. checked out another trail.
Dude, that was very badass.
Is this not Miner's Loop?
I don't know what it's called. It's called Now to Downhill.
Took a lunch break. And then revisited DH7.
Oh! Ooh! It doesn't make, drop the hammer doesn't make me nervous, but I feel like you're gonna need a lot more speed on this than drop the hammer. Andrew, we're gonna get this on video, me and you one day. It's coming.
Working my way down the trail.
Let's do it.
Oh,
I'm good. Oh, my glass is good.
I'm grateful that it's the dumb accidents and not the gnarly ones that get me.
Yeah, I'm good. That's it. That's all you need.
We then had one more run on DH4.
You got so much dirt on the right. There you go.
Which when you're on the last run, it should never be said.
Why didn't you go with us?
Somebody said last run. Somebody was you.
And to end our adventure, we decided to stop for some freshly made candies. The moral of this episode, don't let bad weather stop you from riding your bike, especially if you live in Northwest Arkansas. For this channel, my goal is to continue to tell my mountain biking story, one experience at a time, and to share some sick edits of all the great trails Bentonville has to offer, along with all the other destinations I aim to visit. This is a whole new experience for me, and I would really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Comments are welcome, and hoping that you keep them positive. And remember guys, be chill and stay shredding.